What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, we are planning for the week of the 9th through the 15th. As you can see, I've already done some pre-planning. We move these things out. I got a little hot cocoa here with me. I felt like it was a perfect opportunity for me to go on ahead and check something off my bucket list while I was being productive. So yes, again, we are planning for the week of the 9th through the 15th. So I'm going ahead and pull this baby out. I went on ahead and kind of pre-planned, and I picked out a couple of washi that I want to use just to cover up this bottom portion here. Just because I feel like that doesn't scream Christmas to me. And then we are also going to be using the Christmas Joy book as well as the winter book and whatever other sticker books I can pull to make this beautiful. So let's just go on ahead and dive straight into it. Let's go on ahead and lay down our washi. All right, now that we have our washi laid down, let's go on ahead and put some functional stickers in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay this down over here. And I may end up covering this little car here because this will really just be my area that I want to put my bill pay things in, as you can see. So I'll go on ahead, well no, I'll pull that out because I know what this is going to be made for. And then I have this here, right? And then I'm going to lay this sticker here. Oh, shucks. Well, damn it. Just ruined that sticker. Well, that sucks. Alrighty, so I guess I won't be using that one. I will use this one instead. I'm not even gonna bother trying to pull that off. I've seen where a couple of girls use the wax paper trick. I think when I go to the grocery store, I may be picking some up because, yeah, for this purpose, that would really be helpful. So, okay, there we go. And I'm gonna take this little list here, put that here. For Wednesday. These are the main designs that I'm going to be using. I really like the little bird and the little llamas. So I pulled the farmhouse book because it has some of that tan in it. So I just want to pull a couple of functional stickers out of here to kind of tie in that tan color. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. Something to make it a little decorative. And I'm thinking I want to pull this sticker up because now that I laid that down, I think I want to stick with more neutral. So I would just pull that and stick this off to the side. Have all of our functional things. Let's go on ahead and make this spread beautiful. So I really liked this sticker here, and I'm gonna just stick this guy right here. Pulling this out of the Stargazer, we have some of these that I want to use. Not sure where I want to put this guy. Maybe I'll put it up here. Yeah, I think this is cute. I want to put a quote here. So I like this peace on earth, because I kind of feel like this is the theme. Has the peace on earth here. Let's just pull her up real quick and see how we feel about it. I feel like I need to layer this with something. I don't know what. Maybe not. Let's take a look at this one. I really like this yellow, so it says, "May your heart be light." I love that. So put that here. And I feel like I need something on this side just to balance it out. So, thinking I can put another tree over here. And I think I want to put it here. I'm gonna just cover this little spot with this sticker. Maybe I'll do this over here. For Saturday, so put this here. Maybe I'll move this sticker here. Going ahead and pop her back in here. I think this looks so stinking cute. Love how this turned out. Love this color scheme. And I love how, like, I have not had to change this out. I thought that I was going to, but I really like this, like, muted teal situation. I think it looks so cute. Yay. And as you can see, I got my nails done. Now I'm in the holiday spirit. I'm not busted and disgusted anymore. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me plan for this week, and please stay tuned to, you know, my channel, because I have some exciting stuff going on actually this week. So if you have not already, please subscribe. Make sure that you hit that bell notification button. That way you can be notified every time I drop new videos. And until the next one, thank you guys so much, and peace out.